Humber's Bachelor of Mechatronics Engineering provides hands-on experience, advanced robotics, automation, and intelligent system design using industry-leading technology.
In this program, we have two streams. One is embedded systems, the other one is robotics. And both streams will have a 12 months work placement. Students gain very important industry experience, which put them ahead in the job market.
The skills that you're going to gain is the real-world knowledge of how the real systems work. Our labs are equipped with state-of-the-art, leading-edge technologies. Our industry partners are furnishing us with the equipment that is being used out in industry. So when you are learning here at Humber, you are learning on the real systems that you will be working on in the real world.
You should go to Humber because of the state-of-the-art laboratories, and the professors are really supportive and they really help you into understanding all the concepts that you need, and they will just really help you to achieve your dream.
At Humber, they have lots of opportunities for co-op because they partner with lots of industries. So through those industry partners, we as students can reach out to work in their companies and factories and develop the skill sets that we have.
Just do it. That's literally the mantra to any engineering program. If you think you can't do math, no, you can. You just need to have it in your heart. Just believe in yourself.